Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show you how to claim PUNKNFT airdrop. So in this airdrop you're going to claim, I'm going to show you how you can claim this airdrop. So it's having 4 days, 3 hours plus to go. So it's they have a total supply of 1 billion PUNK NFTs. So NFT token. So this is it. It's under Ethereum blockchain. So what we're going to do now, we have pre-sale, airdrop, their channel, Telegram and Twitter. So guys, before we continue, I want to advise us that this video is just for educational purpose. So make sure you do your due diligence research before you involve in any airdrop or pre-sale of any coin. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go straight to the course. I'm going to click on airdrop. You see, it says input your Ethereum wallet address to participate. So I'm going to close this and go back to my wallet and get my Ethereum address. So I'll scroll through my Ethereum address. So I click on copy, go to DApp, under history, click on Punk. Allow it to load up, paste your ETH here. So I paste my own, I click on submit. See, 100 PUNK. So I've been given 100 PUNK. So this is my referral code. I can copy this code now. So click on copy. So this is the code I'll be sharing to all my contacts, my list. So guys, I'm going to drop this link for this airdrop so that you sign up for this airdrop. So this is the contract address. You can add it manually on your wallet. So that is how to, okay, let me add it manually. I'll show you how to add. Copy, I'll close this, come to wallet, come to this button, scroll to the bottom, click on add custom token, paste. You see PUNK 18 decimal, click on done. Let's go back to PUNK, withdraw. So click on withdraw. Says withdrawn. Okay, our airdrop is withdrawn. Let's see if it has reflected. Okay guys, see what they said. Look at the history. Withdrawal history. It said time. This is the time, this is the address, and this amount. It's a status reviewed. So under review, distribute after pre-sale completed. So once the pre-sale is completed in the next 4.5 days, then this token will be released to this wallet address I dropped there. I've copied my referral link. That is the referral link I'm going to share. So guys, try and claim this airdrop. You never can tell the one that is going to be legit. So keep trying, since there's no much funds involved. This is a free airdrop. So guys, keep accumulating, and I believe one of the airdrop will make us a multi-millionaire before the year ends. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye for now.